2021 Honda Ridgeline RTL-E First Drive. The new Ridgeline sans HPD upgrades is still a Ridgeline, and that's good. When Honda revealed its updated for 2021 Ridgeline pickup late last year, and when it gave us one to drive and another one to test a few months later, it showcased the midsize pickup truck with its $2,800 HPD package. Short for Honda Performance Development, HPD is Honda's performance parts sub-brand that furnishes accessories and other mostly style-focused upgrades for a variety of models, including the Ridgeline. Although the HPD Ridgeline setup's gold-tinged wheels, plastic fender flares, more aggressive grille, and rear quarter panel graphics look cool, and exaggerate the 2021 Ridgeline's more truck-like snout and wider stance, we've yet to drive or experience the updated pickup without the HPD add-ons. So what's the non-HPD Ridgeline like? Having finally spent a week in a regular 2021 Honda Ridgeline without the HPD option, we can say the pickup doesn't necessarily need the HPD accessories to look butch. The work Honda's stylists put into the nose, giving it a blunter appearance and blockier detailing, still shines through even on the luxury-focused Ridgeline RTL-E you see here. Even the new, chunky 5-spoke wheel design won't make you feel too bad about skipping the HPD versions. These 18-inch rims are included on every Ridgeline save for the entry-level Sport or any model equipped with the HPD package. And just as on the HPD-equipped Ridgeline, the new wheels stick out a little wider than on the 2020 Ridgeline. Additionally, the tires are beefier and give the pickup truck a more confident stance. The new dual exhaust outlets that poke through the bumper's lower half give the rear more presence, in addition to a Ram 1500 look-alike syndrome. HPD get-up or otherwise, the new Honda Ridgeline behaves much the same as the old Ridgeline. The ride quality remains excellent, again thanks to a fully independent suspension. Firm body control allows for reasonably composed hard driving, for a pickup, yet supple bump compliance. Even the new, more aggressive tires, which retain an SUV-like all-season tread pattern but add aggro blocks where the tread meets the sidewall, fail to introduce any fresh grit in the Ridgeline's well-oiled comportment. Those tires do, however, give off some noise. Just like the narrower rubber the Ridgeline used before, road and tire noise are Honda signatures, and unfortunately the updated truck doesn't do more to stifle either. Honda's 280 horsepower 3.5-liter V6 engine is smoother than butter, and again it works through a 9-speed automatic transmission that delivers prompt and smooth gear changes. One big change for 2021 is that every Ridgeline now comes standard with all-wheel drive. The less expensive front-wheel drive variants of the